Aquarius, welcome to your reading. This is your tarot clock reading for the month of September. So Aquarius, this is your tarot clock reading, and what you are seeing here is a tarot clock. This is your past energy and a blockage, your present energy, your blockage card. This is your future energy and the blockage. And these cards here are the advice cards, and this is the helper card. This is your focus or overall energy for the month of September. Okay. So Aquarius, I see in the past you have walked away from your person and you have taken a decision to end the relationship. I do see this is more looks like you than the other person. You were tired of being the only person to put efforts in the relationship, and I see your person was not very helpful and not equally involved as much as you were, and even if any mistakes they did, they were never like also apologetic to you. They never apologize to you if they do any mistake, and it was kind of becoming too much burden for you, and you didn't see that the situation is going to improve, so you decided to walk away from your person. The blockage is 10 of cups in reverse. So yeah, you were not getting the happiness because your person was not equally involved. That is your blockage, and they were also not interested in long-term commitment. So I do see that also, and that's why they were not putting, maybe they saw that you wanted a family but they didn't want, so they stopped putting effort, so that making you so that you decide to leave them and they don't have to make a decision, and they can put the blame on you that you left them, kind of. So I'm also seeing that. Now your present energy, I see that you are feeling very hurt by whatever happened. You are very tired, mentally tired, and because you were too much involved, you sacrificed a lot, your time, your emotions to your person, and you presently are now trying to heal from whatever happened and bring about that balance your emotions. I also see that you don't know what's going to happen in future, because you might be thinking that you might not get the right person who will be ready to build a family with you. So you really don't, there is like a lot of unknown for yourself, that what's going to happen with you. But your main focus is to first balance your emotions, and yeah, the blockage card is also the devil. So I think you are thinking too much about you are still mentally attached with your person, with the past, and that is blocking you to get control of your life and get control of your fate. So you have to do a lot, you are doing a lot of work on yourself to free yourself from all the mental blockages that you are still undergoing the hurt with whatever happened. Okay. So you are trying to heal, but there are some challenges in that healing process. Now your future energy shows that you will still be confused and not ready to start anything with anyone, because you are not confident, you are not trusting, you don't trust anyone, that anyone will be come to your life for a long-term commitment that you want. and you think that you might again fall in with someone who will be just, you know, for temporary, will come to your life temporary. So if anyone comes to you also with any offer, you will not immediately accept their offer. You will think a lot, and I think you will not take any decision also, because you will be confused, and you will not be ready. So maybe you after you get that healing in future, you will be healed but still not ready, right? You will still have that energy of confusion and energy where you will not be ready to decide on anyone. And the luggage is also Knight of Wands. You don't want anyone who will be in and out of your life like your past person was, and you don't want yourself being the only one who will take all the responsibility. So in future, I don't see you will be on a hold with getting involved with anyone. Now your advice cards shows that think before taking any decision, before getting involved with anyone, and listen to your intuition. And don't take, even if you think that, even if that person is very stable and they are very much looks like well established person, but you know what happened in the past. So don't take any decision until and unless you are confident, or that person will equally put effort with you in making the family, or in making the relationship, in equally involved in the relationship. And not until you are confident or you get that kind of proof, or you know, don't take that decision. Don't jump like you are already doing that. So be cautious with whomever new person you meet. There might be someone new coming in future, but before making any kind of decision, just make sure that they are the person who will equally be involved in the relationship. Your helper card is also 10 of Wands in reverse. So stop being the only person in taking all the responsibility in relationship, right? So that is going to help you. I think you get too much involved, and so you can't see like what other person is capable of doing, or they are either ready or not. They are the person who are committed to taking the responsibility in a relationship or not, because before you know that, you just start taking all the responsibility by yourself, sacrificing a lot in the relationship. Not anymore, no. And don't express, if you like someone, don't express your emotions yet until you are confident that they will be helping, like you will, you know, they will be equally supporting you, right? And the focus is also Page of Swords. So that is being cautious and not taking any decision until you are confident that your person will also be ready to take the responsibility. Okay, so first you have to heal, and you have to be cautious. Whoever you meet, any new person, try to get as much as information you can. Okay, so that will be your focus. All right, Aquarius, so I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video.